In triangle ABC, A cos square B plus cos square C plus cos A into C cos C plus B cos B equal to how much is asking. We will go for projection rule. Before that, we will expand the brackets, then we will go for projection rule. So that is A cos square B plus A cos square C plus this is C into cos A into cos C. C cos A cos C plus B cos A cos B. B cos A cos B. Now from A cos square B, A cos square B and B cos A cos B, I can take cos B common from both. So if I take cos B common, left out here is A cos B plus B cos A in that. And from these two, I can take cos C common. I can take cos C common. Left out here is A cos C plus, I took cos C common is C cos A. C cos A. Now according to projection rule, A cos B plus B cos A is, according to projection rule, A cos A plus B cos A cos B plus B cos A is cos C. So what I want to say is this is cos B into small c plus this is cos C into A cos C plus C cos A is small b, we know projection rule. Now this is again, if you observe, C cos B plus B cos C is small a. So our option is first option, small a. Simply I used only projection rule. A cos B, B cos C is small c. A cos C plus C cos A is small b. Now small c cos B plus small b cos C is small a. First option. In triangle ABC, sigma of B plus C into tan A by 2 into tan of B minus C by 2 is equal to dash. Small a, small b, small c or 0 is asked. By observing tan of B minus C by 2, we can go for Napier's formula. We already discussed in concepts. What is Napier's formula? Tan of B minus C by 2 equal to small b minus small c by b plus c into cot A by 2. This is called as Napier's formula. We already discussed in concepts. So I am going to use this Napier's formula in that. So what I want to say is this is sigma of b plus c into tan A by 2 as it is into, instead of tan of b minus c by 2, I will use Napier's formula b minus c by b plus c into cot A by 2. So b plus c gets cancelled and tan A by 2 into cot A by 2 becomes 1. So finally it becomes sigma of b minus c. If I open the sigma, what happens? B minus c plus c minus a plus a minus b. So b cancel, c cancel, a cancel, final result is 0. So our option is D, 0. Our option is D, 0. In triangle ABC, if A cos square C by 2 plus C cos square A by 2 equal to 3b by 2, 3b by 2, then the sides of triangle are in dash, arithmetic progression, geometric progression, harmonic progression, arithmetico geometric progression, AGP. AP, GP, HP or AGP is asking. So we don't know, we will go for cos C by 2 formula. Cos C by 2, what is the formula of cos C by 2? Root of S into S minus C by AB. Square is there, so root will go off. Becomes S into S minus C by AB plus this is C into cos square A by 2, same formula, S into S minus A by BC equal to 3B by 2 as it is. So what I want to say is this A gets cancelled, CC gets cancelled. If I take S common, S by B common from both, left out is S minus C plus S minus A equal to 3B by 2. This is 2S minus C minus A. 2S is A plus B plus C. So S by B into So S is A plus B plus C. Wherever S is there, I am going to substitute A plus B plus C. This is, otherwise I will A plus B plus C by 2. S is. Here S plus S 2S. 2S is A plus B plus C. Minus A minus C gets cancelled. Left out is B equal to 3B by 2. Now what I want to say is this B gets cancelled. 2 gets cancelled. Left out is A plus B plus C equal to 3B. Now this B to that side. A plus C equal to 3B minus B becomes 2B. So 2B equal to A plus C. Means they are in arithmetic progression. 2B equal to A plus C is called as arithmetic progression. So our answer is option A. Our answer is option A. 2B equal to A plus C means arithmetic progression. ABC B cos square C by 2 plus C cos square B by 2 equal to S. This is first statement. And second statement, cot A by 2 equal to B plus C by A implies B equal to 90 degrees. He is asking whether both are correct, or one is true, second is false, or one is false, second is true, both are false. Which is correct option is asking. We already did just now this type. Small b into cos C by 2 formula we know, that is root and square gets cancelled, S into S minus C by AB plus this is C into cos square B by 2 formula, S into S minus B by AC. So I can cancel BB and here CC. So what happens? I can take S by A common. Just now we took like S by B common. We are taking S by A common here. If I take S by A common, this is as usual S minus C plus S minus B. So this is equal to S by A into S plus S. 2S minus 2S means A plus B plus C. 2S means A plus B plus C. Minus B minus C cancels out. Left out is A. A cancel. Left out is S. Means option 1 is 100% right. Option 1 is true means either first option or second option, because we don't know about the second. So we will do second now. This is first one. First one is we got RHS. Yes. So first one is 100% true. Now we will go for the second. Mavaldis formula. We don't remember. No problem. We will do. It is giving cot A by 2 equal to B plus C. B is 2R cos sin B plus C is 2R sin C. So I am taking 2R common, sin B plus sin C. If we don't know the formula, we will derive, no problem always. A is 2R sin C. 2R cancel. And this is sin C plus sin D formula. 2 sin C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D by 2. Means 2 sin of B plus C by 2 into cos of D minus C by 2 by sin C. I can write as 2 sin C by 2 cos C by 2. Now this is B plus C by 2 means 90 minus A by 2. So sin 90 minus theta is cos theta. So cos A by 2 I can write this. And 2 gets cancelled. So what I want to say is, here instead of cot A by 2, I can write cos A by 2 by sin A by 2. Then you can understand very easily. This is equal to, what is left out is, sin 90 minus theta is cos 90 minus theta, cos theta, that is cos A by 2 into cos of B minus C whole by 2 by, left out is sin C by 2 into cos C by 2. Sin C by 2 into cos C by 2. This is small a, sorry, small mistake. This is 2R sin A. Means 2 sin A by 2 into cos A by 2. And this is sin A by 2 into cos A by 2. So, observe this sin A by 2 cancel, cos A by 2 cancel. This is cos A by 2. this is cos b minus c by 2. So what I got finally is 1 is equal to, or this cos to this side, cos of a by 2 equal to cos of b minus c by 2. So cos cancel, a by 2 equal to b minus c by 2, or a equal to b minus c, or b equal to a plus c. B equal to a plus c. We know that sum of three angles is 180 degrees. So a plus b plus c is 180. So what I want to say is 2b is 180, b is 90 degrees. So second also 100% right. So both 1 and 2 are correct. Both 1 and 2 are correct. A plus b plus c into tan a by 2 plus tan b by 2 equal to dash. 2c cot c by 2, 2a cot a by 2, 2b cot b by 2, and none of this, which is correct option. Same procedure. A plus b plus c. If you want, you can write as 2s. So I will write it as 2s. A plus b plus c is 2s. Now tan a by 2 value. We know what is tan a by 2 value. Delta by s into s minus a plus tan b by 2 is delta by s into s minus c. B. This is b by 2. Delta by s into s minus a is tan a by 2. Delta by s into s minus b is tan b by 2. So this is 2s. If I take s common and cancels, left out is 2s by s is cancels. Next, LCM of these two, and delta also I can take common. LCM of these two is s minus a into s minus b. So what is left out more? So here s minus b plus s minus a. So 2 into delta into, this is 2s minus a minus b is small c by s minus a into s minus b. 2s into delta by s minus a into s minus b. This is cot c by 2 only. This is cot c by 2. So what I want to say is final answer is 2c into cot c by 2. 2c into cot c by 2. Our option is first option. This is delta by s minus a into s minus b is cot c by 2. So our final answer is 2c into cot c by 2. First option. In triangle ABC, b plus c equal to 3a. Then cot b by 2 into cot c by 2 equal to dash. Option A 1, B 2, C 3, D 4. We will see. He is giving b plus c equal to 3a. What is meant by b plus c equal to 3a? Cot b by 2 into cot c by 2. We know what is cot b by 2. Cot b by 2 is s into s minus b by delta. S into s minus b by delta. Into cot c by 2 is s into s minus c by delta. So this is equal to s into s minus b into s minus c we have. If I multiply with s minus a in the both numerator and denominator, value will not change. So I am going to multiply with s minus a in both denominator and numerator. So that value will not change. This is delta square. Why I am multiplying this? S into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c is delta square. So that delta square got cancelled. Now I got s by s minus a. Now coming to this, a plus b plus c equal to, if I am adding a on both sides, 3a plus a becomes 4a. A plus b plus c is 2s we know. So 2s equal to 4a, s equal to 2a. So in place of s, if I substitute 2a, this becomes 2a by 2a minus a equal to 2a by a. So left out answer is 2. So our option is B2. Our option is B2. S minus a by delta equal to 1 by 8. S minus b by delta equal to 1 by 12. S minus C by delta equal to 1 by 24. By seeing this, you can say, we know that R equal to delta by S. R1 is delta by S minus A. So this is R1, R2, R3 is given. Simply is giving R1 is equal to 8, R2 is equal to 12, R3 equal to 24. Now he is asking B. We know 7 marks question for this. So R1, R2, R3 is giving. We need to find. First we can find R from these three. R1, R2, R3. We can find R. Because we know that 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3 equal to 1 by R. So 1 by R equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3 equal to 1 by 8 plus 1 by 12 plus 1 by 24. So LCM is 24. So 8 3s are 24. 12 2s are 24 plus 1. So becomes 6 by 24 becomes 1 by 4. So 1 by R equal to 1 by 4 means R is equal to 4. R is equal to 4. From this we can easily derive delta square equal to R into R1 into R2 into R3 means 4 into 8 into 12 into 24. 4 into 8 into 12 into 24. This is delta square. Delta means I can factorize like this. Delta equal to root of this. Root of 4 into this is 8 I will write as it is. 12 as it is, 24 as 12 into 2. So that for 2 12s I can write 1 12 and 2 8s 1 8. So delta equal to 96. So I got delta equal to 96. If I substitute in R, I will get S. If I substitute delta value in R, I will get S. Because R equal to delta by S. So R is equal to delta by S. Means S is equal to delta by R. S is equal to delta by R. 96 by delta by R value I got 4. 4 2 are 8, 4 4 are 24 is S. Now I can substitute here, I will get B. So what is that? S minus B means 24 minus B by delta value I know 96 equal to 1 by 12. Then B value I need. So if I go for cross multiplication, 12 cancels first. 12 8 are 96. So 24 minus B equal to 8. Now 8 to this side, B to that side. B equal to 24 minus 8. 24 minus 8 is 16. So our option is A. Our option is A, 16. In triangle ABC, if R3 equal to R1 plus R2 plus R, then angle A plus angle B equal to how much is asking. We know that if I bring R3 to that side, we will get R1 plus R2 plus R minus R3 equal to 0. Now R1 plus R2 we already did, R minus R3 we already did. Still I will do again. R1 is 4R sin A by 2 cos B by 2 cos C by 2 plus R2 is, I am doing R1 plus R2 separately, R minus R3 separately. We did all this just for repetition I am doing. And this is R2 is 4R cos A by 2 sin B by 2 cos C by 2. So if we take 4R into cos C by 2 common, this becomes sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. Sin of A plus B means sin of A plus B by 2 is cos C by 2. Becomes 4R cos square C by 2. 4R cos square C by 2. Now I need R minus R3. R minus R3 or R3 minus R. One and same we already did. What is R? 4R sin A by 2 sin B by 2 sin C by 2 and 4r cos a by 2 cos b by 2 sin c by 2 same 4r sin c by 2 common, so cos of a plus b becomes sin c, sin of a plus b. So what I want to say is this is minus 4r sin square c by 2. So finally if I add these two, you will get finally this value is this plus this 4r into cos square c by 2 minus sin square c by 2. Cos 2 theta formula becomes cos c. So what I told is this whole value is always 4r cos c. If it is minus r3, this is cos c. If this is minus r1, 4r cos a, minus r2, 4r cos b, only minus to r, then that is 4r. That is all we discussed. That's why I want to re-explain this. Okay, next. 4r cos c equal to 0 is given. When do cos become 0? 90 degrees. Means angle C equal to 90. We know that a plus b plus c is 90. Therefore, a plus b must be again 90. So, our answer is 90 degrees. R1 equal to 2, R2 equal to 3, R3 equal to 6. Then A equal to dash is asked. Even in MSET 2014, I think. Options I am not writing, will derive. Now R1 equal to 2, R2 equal to 3, R3 equal to 6 means we know that first of all 1 by R equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. So using this I can find R first. So this becomes 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 6. LCM is 6 for all. So this becomes 3 plus 2 plus 1. 3 plus 2 plus 1. 6 by 6. So 1 by R equal to 1. So becomes R equal to 1. Now I got R equal to 1, R1 equal to 2, R2 equal to 3, R3 equal to 6. Now, just now only we discussed R1 minus R equal to, just now only we discussed R1 minus R equal to 4R sin square A by 2 and R2 plus R3 equal to 4R cos square A by 2. Just now only, previous time only we discussed minus R means R1 minus R is 4R sin square A by 2. R2 minus R is 4R sin square B by 2. R3 minus R is 4R sin square C by 2. So like this. And this is R2 plus R3 is 4R cos square A by 2. Like this we will get. So if I multiply these two, what do I get? So R1 minus R into R2 plus R is equal to how much, just I will derive. So 4R into 4R, 16R square sin square A by 2 into cos square A by 2. So I will take out 4 common, becomes 4R square into, this 4 is 2 sin theta cos theta. So I can write as sin square A. So becomes 2R sin A whole square is nothing but small a square. So I want to say that always small a square is R minus R, R1 minus R into R2 plus R3. So small a square equal to just R1 minus R means 1 minus 2, 1 into R2 plus R3, 3 plus 6, 9. So this is equal to 9. A square is 9, A is equal to root 9 means A value is 3. A value is 3. This is one way of doing. Another way also we discussed. This is R. If I multiply R into R1 into R2 into R3, I will get delta. Then I will find with R and delta, I will find S. Then R1 equal to delta by S minus A. From that I can find A. From this I can find B. From delta by S minus A I can find C. That is what we did in IPE, 7 marks. But this is objective now. So I am giving a formula now. R1 minus R plus into R2 plus R3 is always equal to A square. Like similarly, I will write 2 more formulae here itself. If you derive the same way, this is R2 minus R into R1 plus R3. R1 plus R3, then that is B square. If it is R2, then B square. If it is R3, then C square. Simple. So what I want to say is, here R2 minus R into R1 plus R3 is always B square. R3 minus R into R1 plus R2 is always C square. So we can find A, B, C directly without finding delta, S and all using these formulae. So first formula is R1 minus R into R2 plus R3 is equal to A square. So by heart this formulae, it will be easy for you to solve. Find R1 minus R is 4R sin square A by 2, R2 plus R3 is 4R cos square A by 2. We already derived. We can derive many things. If the angles of a triangle are in the ratio of 1:1:4, then the ratio of the perimeter of triangle to its longest side. It is giving angles are in the ratio of 1:1:4 means angle A equal to 180 into, this is 1 first part of, by total ratio is 1 plus 1 plus 4, 6. So it gives me angle A. So angle A equal to 30 degrees. And obviously angle B is 180 into 1 by 6 again, this is also 1, so becomes 30 degrees. Next, angle C is equal to 180 into 4 by 6, this is 6 into 30, 120 degrees. 6 gets cancelled for 30 times, 30 into 4, 120 degrees, this is angle C. Now we know that side opposite to longest side, greatest angle is greatest and side opposite to smallest angle is smallest. Here this is isosceles triangle, two sides are equal, but the longest side is side opposite to angle C. Means small c is the longest side, first thing. Second thing, this is A is to B is to C means I can find sides ratio. Small a is to small b is to small c equal to, I know that sin A is to sin B is to sin C. We know that A is to B is to C means 2R sin A is 2R sin B is 2R sin C. If I cancel 2R, A is to B is to C is sin A is to sin B is to sin C. Now I know what is sin A. Sin 30 degrees. 1 by 2 is to sin 30 degrees. 1 by 2 is to sin 120 degrees. 180 minus 60, 60 root 3 by 2. So what I want to say is the ratio is 1 is to 1 is to root 3 is the sides ratio. Now I need the ratio of perimeter to the longest side. Here longest side is root 3x. If I take this is 1x root 3x or 1k root 3k. So perimeter S is equal to A plus B plus C becomes 1 plus 1 2 plus root 3 2 plus root 3k and the longest side small c equal to root 3k. Ratio of these two means S is to C is kk gets cancelled, 2 plus root 3 is to root 3 gives me the ratio of longest side to the means perimeter to the longest side. So our option is B. Our option is B.